This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color in Question on Roblox. This unique experience is a cooperative puzzle game designed for two players to work together. You and a friend will navigate various challenges, solving puzzles to achieve a common goal: escape. It's all about teamwork and communication to progress through each section of the game. The core of Color in Question involves solving a series of interconnected puzzles. These often require both players to interact with different elements simultaneously or in a specific sequence. For instance, one player might activate a switch while the other positions themselves on a pressure plate. Effective communication is key to coordinating your actions and overcoming obstacles. As you advance, the challenges become more intricate, testing your problem-solving skills and coordination. You will encounter various rooms, each presenting a new puzzle that must be deciphered. The objective is to successfully complete each puzzle, unlocking the next area and moving closer to your ultimate escape. There are many unique obstacles to overcome. To succeed in Color in Question, always communicate clearly with your partner about what you see and what you are doing. Pay close attention to environmental clues, as they often hold the key to solving puzzles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Sometimes the solution isn't immediately obvious. Persistence and teamwork are your greatest assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.